This is Test Kitchen Quarantined. Easy mac and cheese. First, cook your pasta according to the package direction, and then set it on a sheet tray to cool down. For the sauce, saute about 1/2 onion and 1/4 cup garlic and some herb seasoning. Add in 1 quart of heavy cream and bring it to a scalding point. You can remove it from the heat and gently melt in the cheese, or what I like to do is add the hot cream mixture into the blender and then slowly blend in my favorite cheese. I'm using Tillamook extra sharp white cheddar and Tillamook Monterey Jack for creaminess. This makes about 2 quarts of cheese sauce. For 1 pound of pasta, you only need about 1 pint or 2 more cups. I use the rest for pizza or other applications. What I like to do is place a little smoked cheddar in a non-stick pan, put the mac and cheese on top of that until it develops a crust. Flip it over, it's beautiful, baby. Put it in a bowl. This is how I make mac and cheese.